Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the fundamentals. Make sure your Oppo A5S is signed into the Google account you intend to use and that the Google app is installed. Once done, open Play Store and update Google App plus Google Play services. Outdated components often block Assistant. Make sure microphone and location permissions are granted to Google. These allow voice activation and context. If one step fails, pause and fix permissions or update first, because the rest depends on these prerequisites being correct before proceeding. Next, dive into Assistant settings. Open the Google app, go to Settings, then Google Assistant, and select the Assistant tab. Tap Phone and toggle Google Assistant on. You need this enabled for Assistant to run on your device. Next, enable Voice Match and follow prompts to set up Hey Google so Assistant recognizes your voice. If recognition is poor, retrain the voice model. Voice Match often fixes account availability issues by linking your voice to the correct account and permissions. To finish, clear the Google app cache and data, then reboot your Oppo A5. This refreshes settings and often resolves lingering glitches. If Assistant still says unavailable, sign out of your Google account and sign back in, or remove and re-add the account to force a sync. Make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the Google app. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. And remember, contacting Google support is useful if account restrictions are the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.